Alright, introduce yourself. What's your name?
Grayson.
Grayson. And what are we doing today, Grayson? We're going to be getting Grayson's driving reactions to the Roush Supercharger for the S650 Mustangs. Are you ready for this, Grayson?
No.
No? So, Grayson, tell us about Mustangs. What do you know about Mustangs? What's your favorite Mustang?
Mustangs.
The new Mustangs? What's your favorite color of Mustangs?
Silver.
Silver? And tell everyone what your dream Shelby is. What color?
Silver body and golden tires.
Silver body with golden wheels? Any stripes?
No.
No stripes?
Blue stripes.
Blue stripes. Silver with blue stripes.
And a supercharger.
And a supercharger? Alright, Grayson. Out of Daddy's two Mustangs, which one do you like the most? The red one or the green one?
Green.
The green one? Why?
Fun.
Because why?
Fun.
It's fun?
Yeah. And I like the golden tires.
And you like the golden wheels?
Yes.
Yeah, I can agree to that. Grayson, are you ready for your Roush Supercharger experience?
Oh no, not a Tesla.
Grayson, are you excited?
Yes.
Yes? Alright, you ready? Again?
Do you like that sound?
Do I like the sound?
Yeah.
Do you like the sound?
Yes.
Sounds pretty cool, huh?
Do it again.
Do it again?
A
Alright.
little bit.
Okay.
Do it again.
Again? So, Grayson, what's better? Roush Supercharger or Whipple Supercharger?
This one.
This one? I agree. Knuckle bump. Well, should you buy a Roush or a Whipple? Take it from the TRUE MUSTANG Enthusiast. He chooses the Roush over the Whipple.
Go again.